In this guide, we'll show you how to install an anti-flap kit for your awning to keep it secure in windy conditions. First things first, the bracket needs to be installed on both sides of the awning. Align the edge of the bracket with the awning vinyl and the bottom of the bracket with the groove on the awning base. Once the brackets are installed, slide the opposite end into the corresponding bracket, ensuring a snug fit, and click the spring-loaded end into place. Next, slot the two covers over the awning, clicking the covers into the sail track. Make sure to place them one at a time. Press them in firmly to ensure that they are properly positioned. To secure the anti-flap kit, twist the locks until they are fully tightened. With everything locked into place, your awning is now secure and wind resistant. Enjoy peace of mind knowing your awning won't flap in the wind. That's it, a simple and effective way to add stability to your awning. Thanks for watching.